Ever get stuck with laggy frame rates mid-game? Your screen stutters, your immersion breaks, you lose focus, you lose the match. Slow load times ruin your gaming mood. Graphics glitches distract you from epic moments. Overheating hardware forces you to quit early. Noisy fans drown out your game audio. Dull setups kill your vibe and motivation. Upgrading feels risky. Will it actually help? You want smooth gameplay, not more frustration. You need power, reliability, and style. Meet the XFX Mercury AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT Built for gamers, PC builders, and tech enthusiasts. Ultra-fast 16GB GDDR6 memory eliminates lag. Boost clock up to 3100 MHz for peak performance. XFX Merc triple fan cooling keeps temps low, no more overheating or noisy fans. Customizable RGB lighting matches your setup. Personalize your rig with stunning visual effects. 3 HDMI and DP ports for flexible connectivity. AMD RDNA 4 architecture powers advanced graphics. Perfect for demanding games and creative workloads. Let's compare before and after. Before, choppy gameplay, constant stutters. Before, annoying fan noise interrupts focus. Before, basic lighting, no customization. Before, overheating forces you to stop playing. After, smooth, uninterrupted frame rates. After, whisper quiet cooling lets you concentrate. After, RGB lighting sets the perfect mood. After, reliable thermal management for long sessions. Before, limited memory slows down multitasking. After, 16GB GDDR6 memory handles every task. Before, the outdated graphics struggle with new games. And after, RDNA 4 architecture crushes AAA titles. Before, setup looks plain and uninspired. After, eye-catching RGB lights elevate your rig. Before, worry about compatibility and upgrades. After, multiple ports for easy connections. Before, frustration with slow rendering times. After, fast rendering for creators and gamers. Before, hesitation to play graphically intense games. After, confidently launch any game, anytime. Before, system crashes during marathon sessions. After, stable performance even under heavy load. Before, settling for less than you deserve. After, experience gaming the way it's meant to be. The XFX Mercury RX 9070 XT changes everything. It's engineered for speed, reliability, and style. Triple fan cooling means optimal performance always. Customizable RGB lighting makes your setup unique. 16GB GDDR6 memory keeps games running smoothly. Boost clock up to 3100 MHz for high FPS. AMD RDNA 4-chip delivers next-gen graphics. Multiple ports for all your monitors and devices. No more lag, no more overheating, no more boring builds, only epic setups. Ready to upgrade your gaming experience? Imagine flawless gameplay every session. Picture your rig glowing with custom RGB. Feel the difference of ultra-fast memory. Hear the silence of efficient cooling. See the power of RDNA 4 graphics. Take control of your gaming destiny. Stop settling for less than top-tier hardware. Get the XFX Mercury RX 9070 XT now. Upgrade, play harder, create more. Transform your setup and performance today. Don't wait, your perfect game starts here. Click to get the XFX Mercury RX 9070 XT